Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a fencing contractor license, also known as the C-13 license in California. So this license is for people who build, repair, or change fences, gates, quadrails, game court enclosures, flagpoles, and other related structures. If this is the kind of work that you do, this license helps you work legally as a contractor. So to qualify, you need at least 4 years of journeyman level experience in fencing work. So this means that you can do the job without any supervision. You also need to be at least 18 years old and have a social security number or an ITIN. And after that, you can submit your state application to the contractor state license board. So once it is processed, you will be able to schedule your exams. You need to pass 2 exams, the law and business exam and the fencing trade exam. And after passing both exams, you will complete the final paperwork, fingerprints, fees, and other requirements. So once everything is approved, you will receive your C-13 fencing contractor license. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.